The right tapered cut is usually short at the back and progressively gets longer towards the front. I'm going to briefly show you a simple technique on how to fake a tapered cut without necessarily cutting your own hair. Welcome to Crochet Afro, where we do short hairstyles. This video should have been uploaded by yesterday on Sunday, but unfortunately it is today. Well, let's just get started. Choose hair extensions that is or close to your texture. Most people use the soft Afro Kinky for 4B 4C hair, but we decided to go for this one, coarse texture. The challenge with this extension is that it sheds a lot, so you want to cover your hair before reaching your kitchen, for example. So you want to start on clean moisturized hair. Using your tail comb, begin by making a U-part that is front to the crown. Use the arc of your eye. Do you call it arch? Arc? Well, I hope you get the point. The arc of your eyebrows to guide you on a U shape. Now that part is going to be the longest. Then I usually create another division point right behind the ear. So that's how you get 3 sections. The braid pattern is very important. The reason why I braided the back like that, so it easily and naturally gives us that 45-degree gradation when cutting, where the bottom is shorter and gradually gets longer. Make the sides also as flat as possible. It could be a challenge when you have sparse hair to achieve this style, because you end up with cornrows that have bigger gaps like this. Well, the simple trick is try to fill in most parts of each cornrow with smaller pieces of hair extensions. So it gives the illusion that you have thick hair. Smaller pieces can be on the sides and back, then make the pieces thicker at the crown and front. That will give your hair a natural looking full appearance. Otherwise, with thick hair, it may be easier than you think. At Africa Afro has been into short hairstyles basically, and we appreciate so much your support. Now, hair topics will be posted on Sundays. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please, you are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video.